What's going on, guys? So today I'm finally going to be putting on an exhaust for my truck so it doesn't sound like a vacuum cleaner anymore. So the exhaust I went with is the MBRP catback exhaust for my truck. It's turned down after the axle, so it's not going to go out the side. Although I do eventually plan on modifying it so that it comes out like right here in front of the rear tire, because I think that's going to look cool. But for now, I'll definitely be happy with this. It's going to sound better. It's going to be functional because obviously it still dumps after the axle, so there's no chance of it like scraping or anything like that. Let's go ahead and unbox it, and should be pretty easy. I'll do a before and after on how it sounds as well. So as far as packaging goes, it's kind of meh, but it's fine, I guess. It's an exhaust, don't really ask for that much. It's where the O2 sensor bolts in. Just a muffler. Just a downturn and some hardware, looks like it. So looks like that's everything. So now, as far as taking the old exhaust off, this is a cat back, so this would be the cat. This is back. This is what we're replacing right here. I'm going to unbolt these two right here. That's where the O2 sensor plugs in on that pipe that I showed earlier. At least that's what I'm pretty sure it is. And then, yeah, after that, clamps and stuff. But let's get wrenching. So after you get these two bolts out, which are 9/16 standard, 14 millimeters metric, there is an exhaust hanger behind the muffler and at the end of the pipe. So you just pretty much have to pull those off, and we're gonna be good to go. Alright, so pretty much to disconnect the oxygen sensor, which is right here now, there's this little kind of shield that goes over it. You need to get a short socket like this one, and I used a 13 millimeter, although it seemed like it was standard for some reason, honestly, because it didn't fit too great, but I got it off, and once you get the shield off, this just slides right out. Alrighty, so old exhaust is out. I just pulled it through the front. It was kind of a pain, but made it work. Those two hangers right there, they have like this rubber connector piece that lets them hang off, and I just cut through that, so we'll see. I'll figure something out.
A few moments later.
Deep tone. It's aggressive, but not raspy. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like. I'm going to be doing some fun mods in the truck coming up here pretty soon, like building a new center console, maybe a police siren for off-road use, of course. Also, before I forget, a bunch of you have been asking me if I have an Instagram, and I didn't, but now I do. I just made one, and I'll be updating my truck on there more frequently than I do on my YouTube channel, just because it's, you know, easier. You can post a picture, say what's going on. So I'll leave a link down in the description. Make sure to click on that if you want to follow the build. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.